this is my N8N dashboard. I'm going to create a new workflow so that we start from scratch. So I'll add the first step and I'll search for Slack trigger. So I'll just search for Slack. Then within Slack, I'm going to search for channels because I want to trigger my workflow when a message is posted to my channel. So it's this one here. So on a new message posted to channel, I'll click on that. So it presents this window where we are supposed to do the configurations. So we have the webhooks, we have a test webhook URL, and we have a production webhook URL. Then apart from that, we also need to connect with a credential. So I have several credentials here, but I'm going to create a new credential. And this is going to ask us for an access token. So I'll head to my Slack account. I have it open here. So this is my Slack dashboard also, but I need to create an app or a bot that is going to automate everything for us. So whenever something happens to our channel or a channel that I have created within my Slack application, then that bot is going to send that message to my N8N workflow. So I have several channels here, but you can create a new channel on your side if you want, or you can use an existing channel. So I'm going to use this marketing channel, but first I need to create a Slack app for that. So to do that, I'll head to api.slack.com, then /apps. Right now you can see I don't have any app, so I'll need to create one. I'll just click on create an app. Then I have two options here, from a manifest or from scratch. So I'll use from scratch. Then I'll give it a name, so I'll just call it app 1. And then I need to pick a workspace. So I have only this workspace, Edge Concepts. That's the name of my workspace. So from the drop down list, you can see it's the only one listed. So I'll select that. Then I'll create the app. So it's going to present us with basic information. These are my secrets or credentials, but I'm going to delete this after recording the video. So even if you copy them, they're not going to help you. So create your own. So after doing this, I'll navigate to the features. Then under features, I'll click on home. Then I'll just check this home tab. Maybe before I do that, I need to first subscribe to the events. So click on event subscription. Then check this. Maybe before I put my URLs here, I'll first create Auth0 authentication or auth permissions. Click on auth permissions, and I need to add some scopes here. So I'll click on add an auth scope, and the first one is going to be app mentions. So just search for app mentions, then rate. So I'll add that. It's saved. The other one is going to be group rates. So search for group, then read. I'll also add a channels read. So search for channels. Then we have read. Then I'll also add a channels history. So again, search for channels, then history. And then last one that we are going to add here is assistant, right? So for the assistant is going to be right this one. And then After doing that, I'm going to install this to the Edge Concepts a workspace. So that is the name of my workspace. Then I'm going to allow. Let's give it a few seconds to install. It's installed. So if I go to my workspace, you can see that my app is listed here, but we are not yet done with the configuration. So I'll come back, then go back to the event subscriptions. Then I'm going to enable that, and I'm going to add the redirect URL here. I'll go back to my N8N dashboard. Maybe before I proceed with the event subscription, I need the access token. So how do you get the access tokens? I'll go back to this, then just click on auth permissions, and then auth token is this one. So that is the token that we are supposed to pass. So I'll just copy that, and then come back to N8N, paste it here, then save. You can see credential successfully created. So the name of the credential is this one here. You can edit it to maybe Slack credential. I'll just call it Slack, and are you sure you want to throw away the changes you've made? No, I need to save. So okay, let's forget about editing the name of the credential. It's already listed here as a Slack account form, so just leave it like that. Then come and copy your test URL. Then go back to Slack, event subscriptions. We enable it, then just paste our URL here. It's going to say maybe it's not available. We need to retry. I know the reason. So first we need to check the whole workspace. Instead of maybe selecting a specific channel, we need the whole workspace. So just check this, and then execute so that it starts listening to events. So we need to test that. So it's listening, then we'll come back to Slack and retry. It's still not picking that. The URL didn't respond with the value. So I'll come back, then listen, then get back and retry. Yeah, it's verified. See, it's verified. So that is the test URL. You can see webhook test. Let's also confirm the production webhook. So I'll come back to Slack, stop listening, then click on production. So for the production, you make sure you first click on this space, then come and activate this workflow. So it's active, then you'll come back and open it again. Then click on the webhook URLs, click on the production URL, copy that, then go back to Slack, new URL request, paste it there, and this is going to verify it. See, it's also verified. Good. Then after that, you'll come to your bot events, the events that you want your bot to subscribe to. It's when a message is posted to the channel, so just search for that. So add a bot event, click on a message, it should be message channels. Message. Just a minute. It's not showing here. So it's supposed to be message dot channels, this one. Yeah. So our event is added and we go ahead and save. So that is saved. Then you'll come back to your workspace. Click on any channel you want to use your app. So I'm on my marketing channel. I'm just going to call my bot, which is app 1. Then click on it, enter. This is going to appear, so you add them to your channel. So just add, and it's added. So if you go back to Slack, I mean N8N, and instead of now listening to the whole workspace, you want to listen to a specific channel. If you click on that, then click on the test URL, then you click on select channel, you'll find all your channels listed here now. So I'm going to select the marketing channel. Then this is in production, so I'll disable the production, then open it again, then test if anything is going to be it's going to appear here. So just click on execute the step, then go back to your Slack and write a message, for example, hello, then enter. If I go back to N8N, this should be triggered. It's not triggered yet, so I'll go back to Slack. The changes are saved, everything is set. I'll probably change back to just test URL, because it's now the URL that is active now is the production URL. So click on test URL, copy it, go back to Slack, then paste it there. Let's verify, then save the changes, then go back to Slack workspace. Before we write a message, we come back and execute it again, then go back to Slack and write another message. Just say hello. Let's just repeat the same message. Then if you go back to N8N, this is executed, and you can see that our data is here. So we have the user message is here. So as simple as that. So if you want the production, then you need to first of all enable the production URL, then copy that, then go back to Slack app, which is this one here, then change this to production. So just paste that. Because it's verified, you save it, then you come back to your N8N and now activate your workflow. So when you activate your workflow, we have executions. So we only have like 2 that we did earlier. You need some settings to be saving your executions. So by default, they do not save. So we change it to save. Then we save it to 0. Okay, let's disable the timing and just save this. Then if we come back now to Slack and write a message, let's say, how is everyone? like that, and send this message. Then it should appear here. See, the message is there. So your workflow is now in production mode, so it's listening to any events that is going to be coming from your Slack channel. So if someone types a message and posts a message to your Slack channel, then it's going to trigger your workflow. Then you'll go ahead and do many other steps or many other things that you want to implement within your workflow. So thank you for taking your time to watch the video. I hope you helped you to learn something. Thank you.